Hey there, health aficionados. Today I'm diving into the wonderful world of herbal tea and why you should drink it every day. Herbal tea, unlike the traditional black or green tea, is made from a blend of herbs, spices, flowers, and fruits. It's a caffeine-free beverage that can be enjoyed hot or cold. Sounds delightful, right? So, what exactly is herbal tea? Well, herbal tea isn't technically tea because it doesn't come from the Camellia sinensis plant. Instead, it's an infusion of various plant materials, each with its unique flavor and health benefits. Think chamomile, peppermint, hibiscus, and rooibos. Each of these herbal teas has its own story and set of benefits. Now let's talk recipes. Making herbal tea is super easy. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. You'll need 1 tablespoon of dried herbs like chamomile or peppermint, 2 cups of boiling water, optional honey or lemon for added flavor. First, place your dried herbs in a teapot or infuser. Pour the boiling water over the herbs and let it steep for about 5-10 minutes. The longer it steeps, the stronger the flavor. Strain the herbs and pour the tea into your favorite mug. Add a bit of honey or a slice of lemon if you like. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your homemade herbal tea. But the magic of herbal tea doesn't stop at its delightful taste. Let's explore some of its amazing health benefits. First up, herbal teas are packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and promoting overall health. For example, hibiscus tea is known for its high antioxidant content. Secondly, many herbal teas have soothing properties that can help with relaxation and stress relief. Chamomile tea, in particular, is famous for its calming effects and can even aid in better sleep. Third, some herbal teas can support digestive health. Peppermint tea, for instance, is excellent for soothing an upset stomach and improving digestion. And let's not forget, herbal teas can boost your immune system. Ingredients like ginger and echinacea found in certain herbal blends are known for their immune boosting properties. Lastly, drinking herbal tea can be a great way to stay hydrated. Since it's caffeine free, you can enjoy it any time of the day without worrying about the jitters or disrupting your sleep patterns. So there you have it. Herbal tea is not just a tasty beverage, but a powerhouse of health benefits. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you're doing something great for your body and mind. Ready to make herbal tea a daily ritual? Grab your favorite herbs, brew a pot, and sip your way to better health. Cheers to a healthier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.